Join me as I dive deep into the specs of Sony's new FX8 cinema camera and see if I can uncover all the hidden features that everyone's talking about. The Sony FX8 cinema camera is generating a lot of buzz in the film industry, and for good reason. As a filmmaker, having the right camera can make all the difference in bringing your vision to life. With the rapid advancements in camera technology, it's exciting to think about what the FX8 might bring to the table. Choosing the right camera can be a daunting task, especially with the numerous options available in the market. Filmmakers have to consider factors such as sensor size, resolution, and dynamic range, among others. The wrong choice can lead to subpar footage, and in some cases, even compromise the entire project. The landscape of cinema cameras is highly competitive, with brands like Canon, Blackmagic, and Arri constantly pushing the boundaries. This competition has led to some amazing innovations, but it also means that filmmakers have to stay on top of the latest developments to make informed decisions. With so many options available, it's easy to get caught up in the hype surrounding new camera releases. But what's really important is how these cameras perform in real-world scenarios. Rumors are swirling about the FX8's potential specs, and it's exciting to think about how it might compare to its predecessor, the FX6. If the rumors are true, the FX8 could boast an impressive sensor, perhaps even a full-frame sensor, which would put it in the same league as some of the top cinema cameras on the market. The FX8 might also see an upgrade in resolution, possibly to 8K or even higher. This would give filmmakers an unprecedented level of detail and flexibility in post-production. Of course, this is all speculative at this point, but it's fun to imagine what Sony might have in store. Another area where the FX8 could shine is in its dynamic range. With a wider dynamic range, filmmakers would have more latitude to capture scenes with complex lighting setups. Some rumored specs suggest that the FX8 could have a game-changing feature that sets it apart from its competitors. If true, this feature could revolutionize the way filmmakers approach certain types of shoots. The potential for improved autofocus and stabilization is also on everyone's mind. With more advanced autofocus, filmmakers could achieve smoother, more precise focus pulls, and with better stabilization, they could capture smoother footage on the go. The most anticipated feature of the FX8, however, might just be its potential to make high-end cinema camera features more accessible. If Sony can deliver on the rumored specs, it could put professional-grade cinema capabilities in the hands of more filmmakers. Sony's new cinema camera seems to be shaping up to be a powerful tool for filmmakers. With its rumored specs aligning with current industry trends, it could very well become a go-to choice for many productions. So, what do you think about the Sony FX8? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you missed my previous video comparing some of the top cinema cameras on the market, be sure to check it out and join the conversation.